Alright, so today I'm going to work on the CRV. The owner asked me to replace the rear shocks for them because they're making some noises. So that's my plan. And let me show you the vehicle and the parts, and we'll get to work. Alright, today's project is a Honda CRV. I'm going to go ahead and remove the rear tire and replace the shocks. Look at that, the owner's got the parts all ready for me. I believe I need to go in right through there once I've removed the tire to get the top portion off. Alright, I got my glasses on, put on the old monkey suit, keep my clothes clean. Safety is no accident. Went ahead and chucked the wheels on the front, both sides. And time to remove those tires. I got my jack on the right spot there before I lift it up off the ground, and make sure I loosen up those lugs so the tire doesn't spin while I'm loosening. Alright, it's jacked up. Got ourselves some safety, and our intended target is right here, so you can see why we need to get that tire off. Sometimes you have all of the bolts out and it still doesn't come off, so the little trick I use is a little swift kick, and there you go. It comes right off. Boom. So I'm doing a visual inspection of the strut, and it does not appear to be bad at all. The only thing is it's dusty, and the parts that aren't are the parts that I've touched. Oh, looks like those two are the fix. As you can see, that one has them on there, and that one does not. Pretty cool when the fix is something that simple, honestly. Alright, it's on, and it's on over there too. Test drive time. Basically I have to go over all the bumps that I can, so I can make sure the back shock with the missing bolts was actually the cause of the problem. Funny, I still hear noises. Great. Oh yeah. Still hear it on the left rear. Swell. Alright, back to the drawing board, I suppose. Well, I don't know if it is a bad sway bar link, but this bolt, screw, nut thing was hand tight. I could have taken it off if I wanted to. So I put an Allen key inside of there to hold it, because when I screwed it on or rotated it the proper way, righty-tighty, it was rotating with it. And now I've got it screwed in and it is solid, so hopefully that fixed the problem. We'll see. Okay, I just tightened the linkage to the back, and last time I can tell immediately it was no good and hadn't been fixed, but this time let's see what happens. What's going to happen here? What's going on? Here comes the bump. Still might have heard something. Seems a little stronger. Let's see. Not sure. We'll check back. Alright, here we are underneath the Honda CRV, and there's that noise. I do believe that is the case right there. Yep. Not sure if it's just not tight enough or if it needs a new piece, but I'm gonna say that is the noise. I went on the other side and it does not do the same thing. Can you see that over there? Right there, that one does not have any sound when I move it at all. So, is it loose and just needs to be tightened, or does it need to be replaced? That is the question. Alright, so here I am. I got the Allen wrench inside of there to keep it from moving, and it's totally tight now. 100%. Yeah. Fully cranked. And what's more, no noise. See that? Ooh, that's exciting. Time to take it for a test drive and confirm. Okay, here we go. This is the third time I am trying this. Did I fix it? Let's find out. We're listening for ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. So far, so good. Got further than I did last time. It's definitely at low speeds. Wow. Did it. Am I speaking too soon? Let's see. Wow. Yes. Oh yeah.